Well, hi guys, how are you doing today? Today the setup is a bit different. As you can see, we are in the kitchen, and so what time is it? It is 8 p.m. I just came back from work. As you can see, I still have my makeup on and I need to remove my makeup. But aside from that, I feel a little bit full this night, so I don't think I want to cook anything because I feel full. Plus I'm tired, I'm just so tired, so I do not feel like cooking tonight. So, and I do not want to make tea or any other thing with a bit of sugar here and there. So I figured, since Corona is here and everybody is talking about Dawa this, Dawa that, Dawa here, Dawa there, the lemon ginger concoction which everybody is taking. So I figured, why not just take it this night and then go to sleep and let the body do its magic. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna show you in just a bit. But if you hear like a noise or some weird noise, it's from the fridge, so please excuse that. So let's go on with the video.
Audio Jungle.
Hold up. Well, before that, have you subscribed? Have you? If you have not subscribed to this channel, then I'm gonna wait here. Pretend to be busy, but really I'm not. I'm just waiting for you to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Good, let's continue. Okay, so today's recipe is just my elevated dawa. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying elevated is because I'm just adding like a few things here and there, or just one ingredient. I'm just adding one ingredient because I tried it, I switched it up a little bit, and it was, so I figured since I'm making it tonight, why not show you guys? So welcome and let's do this. We all know the main ingredients for dawa are lemon, we have ginger, and turmeric. Some people actually add turmeric, some people don't. I prefer it with turmeric. And my secret ingredient tonight is, drum rolls, here, rosemary. That is what I'm gonna add to my dawa tonight because I like rosemary. It smells really good, plus it has health benefits, which I'll be telling you at the end of the video. So let me just show you what I have for tonight. So that's my roughly cut ginger, and then I'm gonna use 2 lemon, 1.5 actually, not 2, 1.5 lemon, and then I have my rosemary over there, and I'm using Kate's Organics Pure Honey, really nice. What else do I have? Turmeric. If you could focus, please. There we go. And of course the main ingredient for the night, water. Yes. So let's go ahead and make the magic. Let's make the magic happen. Okay, so I prefer what's it? Why are you guys like that? Okay, so I prefer to put the ginger first in the water so that it boils together. So ginger and rosemary, I'm gonna put them together, and then I'm gonna squeeze the lemon. So I do not like to add the lemon in the mixture. I prefer to just squeeze it, but you do you, boo. You do you. You wanna put in the lemon so that they boil together, you do you. If you wanna squeeze it in the cup, you do you. At the end of the day, it's your dawa, right? So do. Actually, you can grate your ginger, you can just roughly cut it up to you. Remember I said I prefer to put my rosemary together with the ginger so that it boils together. So there we go. Put like 3. Once this starts to boil a little bit, I will add turmeric. Okay, turmeric, and again, I do not measure, I just do the thing. Okay, so
machinery.
Just isn't that delish? Looks really good, plus smells so good, and my camera decides to get foggy. Thank you very much.
How does that look? Doesn't that look delicious?
Okay, so while that is boiling, because I want to leave that to boil for a few more minutes, so again the ginger and the rosemary and the turmeric can do its thing, I am going to start squeezing the lemon juice into a cup, and then yeah, so that when this is ready we'll just pour that and then add in our honey, and that's it. Easy as that. Easy peasy. Easy like ABC. This is the mashed lemon that I collected. This is lime juice. Add a bit of honey now in here. Okay, we're just doing this kienyeji, so never mind. Okay, again, I do not measure anything. There we go. That is for all the goodness in here. That looks really good. Really, really, ooh, how gorgeous does that look? How gorgeous. I'm just gonna grab a spoon and I'm gonna stir that baby up. We did that. Let me transfer it, okay? So we're gonna transfer it to this beautiful glass, and that's it. And guys, just like that, you have your elevated dawa. You can actually call it #Winnie's elevated dawa. So guys, just like that, you have your #Winnie's elevated dawa. And remember, very easy and very simple recipe. I mean, this one takes what, like 10 minutes max, 15 minutes max, and you have your elevated dawa. Looks really good, but most importantly, it's highly beneficial to your immune system. Take this and your immune system will thank you later, especially right now during COVID-19, where everybody is taking all manner of concoctions out there. Try this one. If you probably prepare this and then there's a surplus, do not worry, do not discard that. What you can do is just store it, and then you can take it either cold or hot. It depends with whatever you want. You can take it later on. You can take it first thing in the morning when you wake up. I'm actually going to chill some of the remainder and then I'll take it tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, when I take, because I take water when I wake up in the morning, so I'm gonna take this instead. Good for me, you know, it's like a bubble bath for your tummy. So guys, that is it. Please let me know if you try making this #elevated dawa, and let me know how it goes. If you like it, then feel free to give this video a thumbs up, but remember to comment down below if you're gonna try it, and if you tried it, again, let me know. Do you like it? Do you not? But I'm sure you're gonna like it. But at the same time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please ensure that you invite your friends, your family, your loved ones to come over and join this community, and let's build each other up. You know, this is Life with Winnie, where we are just open and honest about things that happen in life, and of course as far as life and health is concerned. So goodbye, I'll see you in my next video. In the meantime,